It's ultra sleek, it's lightweight with all day comfort. It has health monitoring for your sleep, your menstrual cycle, your mood and stress and heart rate, steps, and your blood oxygen. It keeps you in the know about your health trends. It also has 110 fitness tracking modes: running, yoga, Pilates, walking, cycling, your strength, and more. Power and perks. It has a 7-day battery life notifications, ATM waterproof. It's 100% plus watch faces, a calendar, an alarm clock, and so much more. This watch is absolutely perfect for everyday use. You're going to absolutely love the style. They have several different colors and models available. You can also order this using your PayPal. They have availability of Klarna, Afterpay, Pay in 4. So there are a lot of options available. They also have a $10 savings if you order it directly from the site. I'll put the information below of the availability of getting the watch. So make sure that you check them out. I'm absolutely loving the product. It looks absolutely great with every outfit. So yeah, make sure that you check them out. And thank you so much, Fanny, for sponsoring this video.